Shubor Nagaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajilla Conrad ke Sangma Abakantho Halor Kajinkantaj ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ban Jingbym Jur Nabanta ke Lynti rel hadu bernihat ulong baka sarkar ka thrang bandan ke Lynti rel ban pensuk e ke kit kaba henrei ke Lynti rel ke dei tang nabanta ke rel ban kit iki marbam ulong ru baga jilla ke Ïakynduh bun ki Jingeh Namar ke Jingbym don ke Lynti rel kamtam ladadan ke Jingeh ki e ki jilla ki bamarjan Ula airu ika nuksa hakum ka deka por bawan linshop ka khlam haga ba hakum ka jilla ka Ïakynduh shibun ki Jingeh bat ula ong ba ladadan ka Lynti rel an light ni kini ki Jingeh baro nalor kata menteri rangba ula ong ba usai kran ba halor ka ni ka mat bat ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council.
I went into this yesterday, but since you're asking again, it's very simple that yes, the railway issue, like many other issues, has been there for a long time. There are many social concerns that citizens of the state have, and obviously in a big project like this, one has to carry and take the stakeholders along. One cannot bulldoze big decisions like these which are sensitive in nature. Therefore, it's always a process of consultation and discussion that can resolve these issues. So yes, there has been a concern from the KHDC, but the government of Meghalaya will continue to discuss with them and consult with all stakeholders to try and take this project forward. As a government, we strongly feel that goods train up to Banihat is something that will be beneficial for the state. We strongly have seen that in the past, there have been many situations where because of the truck movements not being allowed, because of coronavirus last time, we had great difficulty in getting even food essentials to our state. And the danger of the trucks coming in, the drivers coming in, bringing the virus was a major concern during the COVID-19. And if we had the goods railway station within our state, like we had in Mendi, in Garo Hills, it was of great benefit because we were able to keep our people safe and yet provide the goods to our people. So we strongly feel that while we still continue the consultation for passenger train, having a goods train coming into the state would be beneficial. And I strongly feel that if we are able to move in that line, we will be able to work with our stakeholders, different stakeholders, and find a way forward. And I strongly, as I said, feel once again that this is something that we require in the overall larger interest of the people of the state.